Hey everybody, Lane and Patricia here, and we hope everyone's having an amazing Saturday. We're out here in far north San Antonio at Coronado, and we've got some pretty cool stuff going on.
Yes, we do. We are actually standing in front of the home where we are going to be tomorrow afternoon with our Z&R VR Experience.
It's exciting.
And if you haven't had a chance to check out the virtual reality home buying process experience that we've put together, you are in for a treat. And we're going to be set up here tomorrow. We're in Coronado again, and you can just drive right in the community. It's located right off Highway 281, kind of across the highway from Marshall Road, and you can't miss us. You come in past the model homes, and we will be directly in front of you. So you'll see our signs, you'll see our balloons, and we hope to see you. I'm going to flip this around and give you guys a little bit of a tour. So as you can see, the homes out here are still under construction. It's a little bit wet out here. We are actually hoping for some sunshine tomorrow, at least a little bit, they say. So this is the beautiful home that we are going to be in tomorrow. It is 2003 Jupiter is the address. It's a beautiful home, just over 3,000 square feet, and we can go up towards here. I'll give you a tiny sneak peek, but if you want to see most of it, you are going to have to get in your car tomorrow, and you're going to have to come see us and see this beautiful home. So let's see what we got here. All right. It's a very, very open floor plan. Great color schemes. We're seeing a lot of these gray floors lately, and I am loving it. As you come in here, this is one of the most impressive parts. It is so incredibly open throughout the living room and kitchen area here. I mean, check out these ceilings. I'm serious. Look all the way up. It's all the way up. So, again, this is just a tiny sneak peek for you, and we do hope that you will come out and join us tomorrow. 2003 Jupiter is the address. Coronado is the subdivision, located right off Highway 281 in far north San Antonio. Hope you're having a great day, and we hope that we see you tomorrow.